Hi guys.
Another video. Sorry, Vita.
Yeah, bro, we're back.
We're playing Animal Hospital today.
Yeah, this is this is the first time we're playing Animal Hospital. So
Yeah, like
just so you know, guys, we
without Vita.
just so you know, all I looked at on videos was like tips, but I didn't see like the whole video, so we're not to be spoiled that much. So anyway, let's go into one. Okay, should we go for other people or no? Yeah, let's just wait. Okay, wait, we have to say nobody join though. Let me write in the chat. Nobody join us. Nobody.
Come on here. Oh.
Nobody join us. Nobody.
No.
Nobody join us. Nobody. No, get out. Get out. Okay. Bro, now the timer went up because they went in. Bro, get out. Don't go in. Should she come in? I'm not sure. She looks kind of cute. Okay, fine.
Don't trust anybody.
You can work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
So this is like our first time. I
Yeah.
did see some videos, just like little videos.
yeah, cause like I never want to like get spoiled. Like when I see somebody playing a good video, I just like immediately exit out. Cause like I really want to just play that life. Okay, here we are. Shift 1. Bro, look at your face. You look so creepy.
Wait, is that me?
You look so creepy.
Wait, send a picture of me.
Okay, I took a little snapshot.
Okay.
Okay, this is the coffee. This one increases sanity. Oh, hello. My name is Ruby Park. I want to check in as a patient. Okay, wait, we gotta make sure it's like not an anomaly. Let's see. Let me take a photo.
Bro.
Okay, it looks normal. Wait, let me look through the camera. Okay, I registered, bro.
Yeah, give me a picture of you.
Okay, I registered. Okay, I registered. Hopefully it's a real patient because it doesn't look wrong on there. Okay, here you go. Thanks. I will be in room 1. Okay, should we go treat him? I guess so. Hopefully it's not an anomaly.
I'll treat her, I guess.
Hopefully it's not an anomaly, but we have to work together. It says this place gives me the creeps. Okay, maybe this kind of gives you the creeps. Just like, don't mind. Don't mind. Just, this is creepy. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, take DNA sample. Ouch. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. That is my analyze sample. Okay. What does it say?
Really? Okay, let's do this one first, and then I'll take care. You take care of the next one, and then I'll take care
Okay,
of the
process
next
result. Oh, a stomach ache. Okay. Oh, she needs herbs. Okay.
What's herbs?
I don't know, herbs. Where's herbs? Oh, it's right here. Okay. You have to make sure to treat them quickly, I guess. There you go. Patient recovering. Okay. Okay.
Go, lady, go.
Bro, it's recovering. Stop. Actually, stop. Be nice to our patient. Okay. Wow, good as you. You're amazing. Thanks, I guess. When did we bandage your head? Who bandaged your head? I didn't do that. Okay.
Wait, what will happen?
Oh, wait, there's somebody here, bro. I hope you're not new at this. Bro, I'm so sorry.
Do it.
Wait, who takes over the reception and doctor things?
I'll do it. I'll do this one, I guess.
Okay, just like...
Help me if I need anything.
Okay, just look at the picture. Does it show anything creepy?
Hold on. Keep on. Wait, should we tell about the background too? Like, the picture?
No, I don't think you're supposed to do that.
Creepy.
No, that's what it looked like for the other patient. Let's just register. I think it's okay, because I don't think we have to do
I
it.
don't even care if
It's only shift 1, so I don't think that's like... Anyway, so... Okay. Okay, here you go. Here you go. I will be in room 2. Okay? I'm so sorry for keeping you long. Okay, you take care of that Did the light just flicker? Yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. The lights flicker for no reason. Don't worry
Here,
about
can
it.
I help her?
Yeah, I'll just tell you what she
You
needs.
do the other person.
Yeah, but I need to tell you what she needs first, so.
Bro, Okay,
Okay, wait,
tell me
take the
what to
DNA
do.
sample
Okay.
and put it on this thing.
Okay.
Ouch. Okay, she has dry eyes. Okay, she needs eye drops. Go get some eye drops.
I dropped.
Okay, they're right here. Okay, there's nobody there yet. Just
keep on going.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, is that
She's
okay?
tailing.
The doctor's arriving. Wait, what? Oh, hi. That's the doctor. Okay.
Okay, we'll be back.
Okay, I'm gonna go talk with the doctor, I guess. Yeah, the patient's gonna. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Okay. Hi. Some advice: if things get strange, just keep working.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay, she's gonna fix up the shutters and security cameras. Okay. Shutters operational. Okay, security cameras operational. Okay, we got the cameras and the stuff. Patients treated 2, visitors admitted 0, anomalies prevented 0, animal deaths 0. Hospital performance excellent. Nice. You got the best for Lily. Bro, you got the best. Why? Wasn't I a good person? Bro. Okay. Hello, my name is Emmy Taylor. Okay. I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Just look at the stamp forms. Okay. Let's see.
No, I want to do it.
Okay, fine. I can still see from here. Why is there a blue light? Should we look at the cameras? Can I look at the cameras, please? There's nothing weird on the cameras. I don't see anything.
Wait, let me see.
There's nothing weird on the camera. She looks normal. I think she's good. I think.
Okay.
Okay, let me look. Okay, the picture looks okay, so I think she's good. You can just register her.
I did it kind of before you said it. She'll be in room 4.
Emmy Taylor. Okay. I got room 2, bro. You got room 2, bro. Okay, use shutters to reject people. Whatever happened to the last people they hired? I don't know. I don't know. Just like. Oh wait, there's somebody new. There's somebody new, bro. I'm Duke Jung. I want to check as a patient. Okay.
You do that. I don't care if it's an imposter. Just do it.
No, girl. I'm doing this.
Yeah, I want to look too.
Okay, it looks normal. Let me look at the camera real quick.
I want to look at the camera if there's anything.
Okay, it looks normal.
Okay.
Okay, go take care of your patient, like, actually.
Sorry. It's better with 2 people,
Okay.
like more people than 1 person.
Okay, thanks. I will be in room 4. Okay, we gotta go. Hurry. Ouch. Okay.
You go take care of your patient.
I keep hearing whispers down the hall, bro. It's walking, like, they walk so slow to the thing. Sorry, patient. I'm telling the truth. What does it say? Low sugar. Okay, get it like maple syrup. I don't know why there's maple syrup. No, it's over here. Wait. This yellow one.
This out.
Bro, it's the yellow one. Yeah. Okay, wait.
Wait, which one? This one?
The one with the leaf. Like, you know what maple syrup looks like. Ouch.
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. Analyzing.
Okay, you can help. I'll get the next person.
Okay, she has a fever.
Doctor.
Okay. Thermo. Okay, here's your thermometer. There you go. Okay, she's recovering. What did he even say? Like, okay, I think we need to drink some coffee. It just like increases sanity. Okay,
Wait. What? Okay, never mind.
drink yourself some coffee. It makes sure you have more sanity.
Oh, I don't care.
Bro, drink the coffee. Like, actually drink the coffee. Bro, the brewing takes 163 seconds. Okay. You will... Okay, I will be in room 1. Oh, he's accounting. This is Ron from accounting. Okay.
Hi. Wait, what is he?
Accounting. I don't really know what that means, but...
Yeah.
Anyway, when the coffee's done brewing, actually drink some. Bro, it takes 139 seconds, bro. Let's just wait for somebody. Aren't you supposed to take care of your patient? I'm gonna go take care of your patient. Hi. Bro, your patient. I'm just taking care of your patient, bro.
No!
Bro, fine.
No.
Fine.
No. Sorry, dude, we're going with...
Yeah, if your sanity reaches 0, you die. So you really want to drink some more coffee. But bro, why does it take so long to do coffee? Like, I'm gonna go stand by the door and see how it looks when people come in.
Wait, I don't know what to give him.
Oh wait, what does it show on the screen?
It was something.
Wait, no, just like there's a picture on the screen. Wait, no, there's a picture on the screen. It's like cough syrup. Oh wait, it's by the maple.
Wait, how do I know?
Well, wait, come over here. There's the picture right on the screen.
Oh, sorry.
It's
I
like,
didn't see that.
The one with the spoon. Okay, let me see if there's anybody. Bro, where's all our patients? Like, why are we doing this at night? The doctor is arriving again? Dude. Hi. I thought you fixed our things already. What is happening? Hi, doctor. I'm opening new facilities for you. Okay? The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Okay? What is in the supply shop? Oh, closed? Open. Oh, the shop is open. The shop is open. Okay, how many? We treated 3 patients. Visitors admitted 0. Anomalies prevented 0. Animal deaths 0. We got a performance of excellent. Yeah, what?
I'm going to the bathroom, okay?
Bro, you are the best for Lily. I see an anomaly. Gianna.
Wait, I want to see a lot more.
Look. Bro. Wait, close it. Shut down. No. Hey. What? I can't close the shutters. I want to check in as a patient. Is this an anomaly as well? Let me take a picture and see. Gianna? I'm kind of scared. Let me just do the security camera. Okay. Register, y'all. Okay, here you go. I'll be in room 3. Bro, Gianna went to the bathroom. Did the lights just flicker? Oh, heck nah. You just go there. Sup, on Tomago Fields. Something's blocking the shutters. I want to check in as a patient. No, why is something blocking the shutters? No. Gross, how do I clean the slime? I think I'm supposed to use maple syrup. Okay, clean the slime. Oh, no, don't look. Ouch. Gianna, this is so creepy. There's another anomaly and I can't close the shutters. I can't close. Oh, I closed it. Close the door.
I'm gonna link this up.
What? Patient on fire. What? Patient on fire. The patient's on fire. Get the extinguisher. Where's the extinguisher? I see the extinguisher. Unbelievable. It came all this way. Bro, I got the extinguisher. Bro, they left. I literally got the extinguisher. What the heck? Out of service? Bro. Open. Hi, sorry. I'm catching blue. Hi. I came to visit someone. Oh, sorry. There's no patients today. There's no patients. I'm just gonna take his photo.
Oh,
It's creepy, bro. No, close the shutters. Close the shutters. Gianna, no. What are you talking? Bro, no. Are you serious? You're turning me away. Bro, no. Actually, no.
yeah, I swear.
Bro, just drink the coffee. Just drink the coffee. Or you'll die.
She's gonna get high.
What? No serious. Okay. Ugh, bro, I need more coffee. Okay, I'm Yuki Suzuki. I want to check in this patient. Okay, fine, bro. Hi.
You can take care of her. I'll take care of the next patient.
Okay, fine. I'll just register. She looks normal anyway.
You take care of that patient when the next patient comes. Okay? I'll make sure they come in.
Bro, I can't believe that I got room 5. She fainted, bro. She fainted. Are you okay? Get her, carry her. I need to carry her, bro. There's an anomaly. Go take care of that.
I'll take care of her.
It says I have to throw her in the garbage. No, I can't. Never mind. That was awkward. I almost thought she... Okay, I got the patient. I feel bad for her. She literally fainted. Are you okay, ma'am? Ma'am. If we actually serve an anomaly, I will, get rid of it, you know? Okay. What do you need, ma'am? IV drops, ointment, and maple.
You'll be mad at me.
Ointment. Bro, you're obviously serving an anomaly, aren't you? John, I'm gonna go get a taser, just so you don't mind. Did the lights just...
Nobody poops.
Bro, clean the slime. Clean it. I'm cleaning it. Okay, I cleaned it. Bro, this is closed. Please open. I need a taser. Bro, how do I get rid of this thing? Don't serve it. I gotta get a taser.
I couldn't hear you. I didn't know. Whatever.
I'm giving it the wrong one. I killed it.
Going. Ow.
Okay, phew.
I'm done.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Just so you know, I got rid of the anomaly.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I feel like this
Thanks to be rooming too. Dude, a lot of stuff is happening and you're not here, bro. Okay, bro. I'm trying to
Sorry, it's a long night, seriously.
Bro, Bro, I had to fire extinguisher a patient and somebody fainted. Bro, this is like so hard. Okay. Phew.
Yeah, it's getting harder in the future.
Okay, finally, I got her DNA. This is so hard, dude. Like, hey, ma'am.
Do her.
Bro, do her. She looks like an anomaly, bro. Whatever, I have to do my patient anyway.
Whatever, I'll do her.
Maple, thermo, and bandages. Okay, fine.
What room is she going in?
It'll have a blinking light at the top, you know. Maple, thermo, bandages.
Guys,
It was actually not that scary, just like...
it's just a little more.
Yeah, I know I did see a stalker, so I did see a stalker and there was eyes on the top of the ceiling and I couldn't look up, so... Yeah, it's been a long night. I think I really need to... Can I get a lunch break? Like, I want a lunch break.
I think you've been working hard when I was off.
I'm
so-
I made myself a coffee. How much is your sanity? I'm drinking a coffee right now.
Mine's 66.
66? Okay. Okay, I just drank some, like... There is emergency chocolate, though,
Yeah,
so...
I think you need to come here.
Why? What? Okay, I think we have to kill her. I don't know, do we? She was acting weird. Should we just kill her? I feel bad. Should we?
No, we're not.
Okay, fine. Is she an anomaly or not? She was acting really weird. If she's an anomaly, oh, that is your fault. Okay.
Well, don't kill her. Please. I don't care if she's a nominee. Don't kill her. Wait, can you come in the room? Vita, come here. I'm gonna give her her last thing.
Okay, if she's an anomaly, then I am gonna be so scared and mad. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, she's recovering. I'm scared. I'm scared. Should we get out of the room while she does that? I don't know.
I need to put my blanket on.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Bro, this is such an awkward night. Like we have $151 from our job. Nice.
What is she doing?
It's recovering. See, it's recovering.
Kill her.
Bro, no. Help! 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 Someone started a ritual. Get rid of it. Extinguish it. Get the fire extinguisher. Get the fire extinguisher. I'm going to get the fire extinguisher. I got the fire extinguisher. Help! Help! No!
No. No. She's rising.
Help! No!
Get out.
Bro, all my insanity is going down when I do this. Okay, I did it. Help! She's still rising. Help! Help! Run. She's still rising. No! Wait, she died? No! She died. If we do 3 deaths, I think we get fired. The doctor's arriving. No. We didn't do it. I didn't do it. No, you're the one who checked it in, okay? She's the one who checked it in. That's not my fault. Some patients may seem unstable. Yeah, we just did an unstable person, so make sure to use the photo and cameras, okay? Stay alert. Bro, we get coffee. How much is your sanity? I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Okay, just drink it. We both take turns. Patients treated 3, anomalies prevented 2, animals deaf 1. Our hospital performance is poor. No. Oh, I got the best. I was the best person. Finally, you got the best person like 2 times in a row. Like, dude. Oh, wait, we can buy all these different things. Cool. Okay, who is this? Okay, I'm here for my appointment. Okay, she sounds weird. I want to see her picture as well.
I want
Bro, it looks normal. Bro, one of our cameras is down. One of them is broken. I also want to see, you know? Bro, one of the cameras is down. The one right here is down. Dang it. Oh, wait, let me fix the camera. I can fix it. Okay, I fixed it. Bro, this is outrageous. Bro, I didn't even look at the camera. I just fixed it. Bro, she looked normal. What the heck? Bro, I'm taking over this. Okay, this one looks...
Do it. If you're gonna do it so bad,
Sup, I'm Buddy Spiders. Who is Buddy Spiders? I want to check in as a patient.
back there.
I want to check in as a patient.
It's back there. Back there. It's so important.
Bro, this is creepy person. Super creepy. I lost sanity. Bro, I have 31% sanity now. Bro, that was so bad. I need coffee. Bro, 75 seconds. Help. Should I get the emergency chocolate bar or no?
What happened?
Bro, I lost sanity. Now it's 31%.
Yeah, but what happened?
Bro, it was a weird photo. Unbelievable. I came on screen. Whoa, I forgot to open the shutters. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Well, do your job better, Vita.
Bro, are you serious? I looked at the photo like I wasn't... Hi, my name is Kuro Kobayashi. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, bro, fighting's not gonna make anything better. We have to calm down and we take turns. Okay, it looks normal anyway, so... Just like... Look at the camera, actually. Bro, what did you just do?
Bye-bye. Hate you.
Girl, stop it. You're making this so bad. Bro, stop.
Do it.
Girl, we're gonna lose money. We have to do this.
Money.
If you want money, then you have to keep doing this. ... I want to check in as a patient. Bro, no. Don't leave the game. Okay, that's a creepy photo.
Wait, let me see. Vita, don't touch
Just look at it. Don't actually inspect it.
Wait, hold on. I want to look at this thing real quick. Don't touch anything.
I gotta drink all my coffee. So thirsty.
Oh, her head's going backwards.
Okay, yeah. I see her tongue sticking out. Sorry.
No, let's put her in.
Rejected? Me? Okay, Karen. How dare you? Okay, Karen. Bye. Bye, Karen. Bye, Karen. Why? Is it just me or she's glowing? It's just like... Bro.
Please.
I'm glowing. Bro, it's only 4. Here's my point. Bro, it is creepy. Like, I can't do this by myself. Like, I actually need you here.
Bro.
Okay, wait, if you do this, then, let me see. Then I don't know. Maybe...
Can you send a picture what I look like now?
In a second. Bro, a fire has started. I'll be...
Oh my
Ugh, bro, I'm gonna die. No service? What kind of place is this? Oh, I need chocolate. Whatever, I need a cure anyway. This is so hard. Guys, how do you do this in the hospital? IV drops. The surgery, phew. Okay, ma'am, just rest. All my patients are gonna be so mad. Hi, I'm so sorry. Hello. I forgot to get more coffee. It looks fine. Okay, it looks fine. It's only shift 4 and I'm literally so exhausted, guys. Jojo Yoon, okay. I will be in room 7. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, this guy. They say the corporate owned this place. This guy, it said, I think he needs to hide out somewhere. Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me a coffee? Had a long day. I don't have a coffee, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I don't have a coffee. It's gonna take 127 seconds. I feel really bad though. Anyway, I'm gonna have to go. I have 37. Like, should I really give him the coffee? Prepare patient. Heart scan complete, okay. Dried eyes, fever, bleeding. Eye drops, thermo bandages. Eye drops, thermo bandages, bro. Eye drops. Can I get multiple at once? Thermo bandages. There you go. Okay, phew. Hopefully the coffee is ready for him. I really need, because I don't know if we can afford coffee. I'm so sorry, sir. It's 18 seconds for coffee. Oh. Oh, you better watch out. I don't like being refused. Wait, no, I'm not done, sir. The coffee's not done. Wait. Wait. I feel so bad. Wait. I can't believe we refused him. I kind of really want to leave the game, guys. Never mind. What? No service? Sorry. I feel really bad for Barney. I wasn't even on the coffee. It was almost done. Oh, hi. I'm here for my appointment. Okay. It's only shift 4 stuff. Feels so bored, bro. Okay, wait, no. I'm just gonna wait. Just so I don't get... Okay. Fine. I'll let you in. Gianna probably needs the coffee really bad. I got room 1.
Yeah.
Yeah? I shouldn't have come. Sorry, a lot of stuff happened, and you know the guy with the mustache who comes in with, like, who wants a coffee? Well,
Yeah.
I didn't have any coffee, and then he left, bro. I can't believe this. Like, the coffee was still brewing, like, bro. I'm so sorry. Like, he said he's gonna get revenge or something, so I think I'm in big trouble, so.
Well, how dare you?
Bro, I didn't have any coffee left. Bandages and medicine.
I'm taking a snack break.
Okay, are you gonna leave the game or like,
Can I?
bro, actually drink the coffee though.
I'm getting out the game.
Bro. Getting, waiting.
I'm getting out.
Bro.
Can you send me a picture of my, like, my body? Like, what I look like?
Okay, what do I look like first?
I already have a picture of you.
Okay. Okay, wait, can I describe you? I don't know. Like, wait.
Just send a picture.
Bro, I already took it. Just send. Both send at the same time.
Okay, hold on.
Bro, first you
I
left.
kind of have to leave it to... Hold on.
I'm gonna keep playing this and I'll just tell you a lot of stuff that happens. This is so creepy. Oreo Seal.
Okay.
Bro, this person's named Oreo Seal. Okay, wait, are you ready? Oh, you already sent it. Hey, okay. Wait. You're tan and I'm pink. Wait, no, I'm tan and you're pink. Sup, I'm catching pink. I like chickens. Okay, I'm very confused. Like, why do you get to be pink? I mean, I still like the tan, I'm not gonna lie.
I like the tan more than the pink.
Oh, so I don't know why we have to wear those white things. They look like hoodies. Don't you think? I don't really understand it, but... Oh, wait, I have a question. Do you know any lore about this game?
Any what?
Any lore? Where until they come?
I don't even know what that means.
Bro, like stuff, like creepy things, like things, like people are hiding or like the backstories and stuff. Ouch, sorry. So, do you know anything? Because I know there's one story about like the guy with the mustache with his sister or something. I think. No, that's a different one. Sorry, bro. I'm so confused with all this, like. Okay, Jonah, but I have to ask you a favor. Okay, so if I get scared, you have to like say something funny. I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, you're good at that, right?
Yeah, I'm so good at it.
I have other things to do now. Oh, I got the guy who has like this, who waits for his sister. Hi.
By mistake.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll go check him in. I hope. Bro, his name is question marks. Thanks. I will be in room 8. Okay then. I don't like the way they look at me. Who? I don't know what he's talking about, so I'm a little bit freaked out. Hello, my name is Yuki Takita. I want to check in as a patient. Just wait. Bro, it's so hard doing it as like one person, bro. Start see patient. Okay. Let's run. Room 5. Okay. That's so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna do it in here. Poor thing. Wait. I don't want to talk to him. This is so. Wow, this is so awkward. Gianna. Gianna. Are you.
What?
Okay. Are you. Just like, I want you to tell me what you're watching real quick. If you're doing anything. Because, like, I really just don't want to be focused on this right now.
Okay. I proved wrong. So, like, so I think they're not sisters. I think, like, the mom or whatever, adopted her because she's kind of black. And the girl's white. But anyways, like, the black one's white. Like, the black one, I mean, is, fat, and she does not be fat, and she'll eat whatever she eats in a day. So.
What the? I don't even know what that means.
Yeah, I know.
I have so much going on at the hospital, like, bro. Okay, John, there's a bunch of weird stuff here, so I don't know. Should I fill you in? I don't know. I have to take an x-ray of this person, and I have to, I don't know. Green, pink, green, blue, blue. Pink, green, blue, blue. Danger, I looked inside, you're not open. Drops, medicine, bandages. Okay. Drops, medicine, and bandages. Drops, medicine, bandages. Drops. Bro, the doctor's arriving. Bro, the doctor is scared, Gianna. There's been a huge anomaly attack. Bro, what? 6 people died and many more were hurt. Bro, what? I'm working at the hospital. Be prepared, the ambulance is coming. Okay? Bro, why? Bro, where are you going? Where are you going? Why are you screaming and running away? Wait. It says no access. Why does the doctor have... Bro, I see an ambulance. Bro, there are so many patients and they're threatening to die. There's somebody on fire. What the heck is happening? How am I supposed to take care of all of these patients? Bro! Gianna?
What?
Too many patients died, so... Bro.
Oh.
Too many patients died. Bro, thank you for watching, and, that was chaotic. So, I think I realized that one person can't just do it all, so... Yeah, anyway. Thank you guys for watching, even though, Gianna left, and I had to do all this, and I made everybody die, so... Yeah, it was hard, okay? Like, I had to, my fingers can't go that fast, okay? Anyway, guys, make sure to, like and subscribe. You don't have to. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. It was so long, and I am really exhausted from all this. So, yeah. Anyway, see you at our next video. Bye. Bro, say bye.
Bye, guys.